Jai Ho students, welcome back to SKCBSE's DGPA class session. Dear students, in previous class we have discussed the two properties. Those are closure property and commutative property. So these two properties we have applied for whole numbers, integers as well as for rational numbers. And the third property is associative property. What do you mean by associative property? So here associative property means here till commutative property we have taken only two numbers. For whole numbers we have taken only two whole numbers. For integers we have taken only two integers. For rational numbers we have taken only two rational numbers. These are considered as A and B. Yeah. Here in this property, that is in associative property, we have to take another number. C is also one more number we have to consider. By taking these three numbers, we have to apply the associative property for whole numbers under addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So let us see what is actually associative property for whole numbers. For whole numbers we have to consider, that is, as we have seen the general formula for this one. For every A is one whole number, B is another whole number, and here we have to take one more whole number, that is C. A, B and C are belongs to Q. Both are in the set of the given three whole numbers are we have taken. Next, condition for associative property. What is that condition for associative property? That is, you have to see that A plus bracket B plus C is equals to A plus B plus C. This is the condition for associative property for whole numbers under addition. Yeah, this condition we have to check whether LHS is equals to RHS or no. Clear? Here how many whole numbers we have to take? Three whole numbers. A is one whole number, B is another whole number and C is the third whole number. So here we have to take three whole numbers. Take one example. In this example, so let A is equals to 5. A is 5. B is minus, whole numbers. B is 10. And C you have to check, that is C you can take any number you can take 22. C is 22. A is one whole number, B is another whole number and C is the third whole number. Three whole numbers they have given. So first the condition you take. So left side condition you take. What is that left side condition? A plus B bracket B plus C. Check whether it is same or no. So what value you get? A is 5 plus B is 10 plus C is 22. Here, then here 5 as it is. First we have to solve brackets. That is 10 plus 22, 32. 10 plus 22, that is 32. Now you can add 5 plus 32 is 37. That is A plus B plus C value is 37. Next, right hand side of this condition, that is we have to group A and B plus C. A plus B bracket plus C. First you add these to 5 plus plus C. Clear? So here what value we obtain? So 5 plus 10, that is 5 plus 10 is 15. So C value they have given 22. So 5 plus 10, 15 plus 22 plus 22. So this answer is also 37. You have to take any three whole numbers, then you make a group in this way and add them, we obtain the same sum. This shows that whole numbers are associative. For closure property, closed. Commutative property, commutative. And for associative property, whole numbers are commutative under addition. So last one condition what we have to write? Therefore, whole numbers are associative. Whole numbers are associative under which operation? Under addition. Whole numbers are associative under addition. This is the associative property of whole numbers under which operation? Subtraction. Now the second one is, what is the second condition? That is second operation under subtraction. So I hope you understood this one. Now we have to go for under subtraction. So we have to check whole numbers are associative under subtraction or not. So under subtraction, second operation is under subtraction. We have to check whether they are associative or no. Condition is for every A, B and C belongs to W. So they are belongs to set of whole numbers. Then what is the condition? That is subtraction. Subtraction condition is A minus B minus C. Whether it is equal or unequal, you only have to check. That is A minus B minus C. This is the condition for associative property of whole numbers under subtraction. We have to check whether it is equal or unequal. Clear? So this is just I have given for subtraction. You have to check whether it is correct, then you have to put equal to sign. If it is unequal, after solving example, you have to put unequal sign. So when you come to know that one, when we take examples. Take example, let A is equals to 7, B is equals to 3, the value is 3 and C is 13. C value is 13. Now you check A minus. So one side condition you take left hand side, that is A minus bracket B minus C. So its value is, A value is 7 minus B minus C, that is 3 minus 13. Okay? So 7 minus 3 minus 13, this is not possible. So this we have to use as integers subtraction. 3 minus 13 minus 10. Then this will be 7 minus into minus plus. So this is 10. So the difference is 17. Here also you should get difference 17 only. So check that difference, A minus B minus C. So what is A minus B? A is 7. 7 minus 3 minus 13. 3 minus 13. Now you apply this one. 7 minus 3, 4 minus 13 as it is. So 4 minus 13 value is minus 9. Then are they equal? Here 17, here minus 9. Are they equal? Unequal. Both are not same. It shows that what it gives, it concludes that whole numbers are not commutative under subtraction. Therefore, whole numbers are not associative. Are not associative under which operation? Subtraction. So this property is not holds good for the subtraction of whole numbers. So this is second operation. Here, next the third operation is under multiplication. Third operation is under multiplication. We have to check associative property of whole numbers under which operation? Under multiplication. Now we need to check under multiplication. Under multiplication. So as we all know that the condition, that is for every A, B and C belongs to W, then the condition for multiplication is A into bracket B into C is equals to A into B bracket into C. So whether it is equal or not, we need to check after solving example. In this example, we have to take let A is equals to 7, B is equals to 6 and C is equals to 2. A, B and C are the three whole numbers. Then first condition, what is that first condition? A into bracket B into C. So A is 7 into B is 6 into 2. Then 7 into 6 to the 12. So 7 into 12, that is 84. So LHS value we obtain 84. Now we should check RHS, that is brackets A into B bracket complete into C. Then A into B, 7 into 6. 7 into 6 into C value is 2. So first you multiply the bracket, that is 7 into 6, 42 into 2. 42 into 84. So here this condition is satisfied. This condition is satisfied. It shows that whole numbers are associative under multiplication. Therefore, whole numbers are associative under multiplication. This property is applicable for which property? Associative property of whole numbers under multiplication. Clear? It shows that whole numbers are associative under multiplication. And the last operation, which is that under division. We have to check under division whether division is applicable, associative property is applicable for division of rational numbers or no, whole numbers or no. That is fourth one, under division, fourth operation under division. Clear? So write the condition, that is for every A, B and C belongs to W, whole numbers. Then what is the condition? Condition is A divided by bracket B divided by C is equals to bracket A divided by B divided by C. Here we have to check whether it is equal or unequal. So how we come to know? After taking example. Let A is equals to, should take A as 5, B you take as 10 and C you take as 15, or you can take 20. 20 you can take, all are divisible by 5. You can take any whole number. Yeah. So first LHS, that is A divided by B divided by C. Apply this one. That is A divided by, A value is 5 divided by B by C, that is 10 divided by 20. Clear? So this will be 5 divided by 10 by 20 is 1 by 2. That is 10 by 20, how we get? 10 by 20, 0, 0 get cancelled, 1 by 2. That is 10 ones are 10 twos are. So 1 by 2. That is 5 divided by 1 by 2 value is 10. Do you know why it is 10? That is 5. Division you have to change as into. Then reciprocal of 1 by 2, 2 by 1. So 5 twos are 10. So what product, what quotient we obtain? That is 10. And second condition, that is bracket A by B divided by C, that is C. Yeah. Substitute the values. A 5 divided by 10 divided by 20. Yeah. Now 5 by 10 is 1 by 2 divided by 20. Now, so this will be written. How we have to write this? This is equals to 1 by 2 into division. You have to change as multiplication. 20 can be written as 1 upon 20. So its value is 1 by 40. Both are equal, unequal. Therefore, whole numbers are not associative under division. Therefore, whole numbers are not associative, under division. Okay, so this is the entire associative property of whole numbers. In the next class, we discuss associative property of integers.